Hi everyone, my name is Renee and I live in Ann Arbor, Michigan. If you find your map of Michigan, I would be located in the southeast corner of Michigan. I live here all my life and I lived in Ann Arbor since 2002. One of the things about me currently is that I'm a school bus driver. And as a school bus driver, we do many things. But one of the most important things that we do is we pre-trip our bus every day to make sure that it's safe and operational for our students to ride on. I have been a bus driver for 12 years and I have driven preschoolers, special needs, and regular ed students from K to 12. So something hard about being a bus driver is learning how to drive defensively, especially when you have other traffic around you who may not be as cautious. Another hard task would be learning how to control your skid on ice. And yes, they have trained us to actually learn how to do that. And I've had many skids over my past 12 years, but I have to say, not tooting my horn or anything, that I think I've done very well at learning how to control my skids, and I feel very confident when I go into a skid that I can control it. And I've done that on my school bus as well as in my own car, so that's just a good skill to have as a bus driver. One of the benefits of being a bus driver is making a connection with my students. And so I like to share a quick story of one of my successes. So one year I had a group of kids that were quite rambunctious, but over time they eventually settled down and got to know me. And towards the end of the school year, I had this one student who came to me and he told me that he was getting ready to leave. This was his last week at high school, and he was preparing for college because he had got a full scholarship at Michigan State. And he said, Miss Renee, although I'm not going to be here, I want you to know that my friend is going to take my place and give you a fist bump for me every day from me. And sure enough, his friend lived up to fulfilling that call. Every day before he got off the bus, he would give me a fist bump. And if he had forgotten to give me a fist bump, he would actually run back to the bus stop and catch me just to get on the bus and give me a fist bump. And I just thought that was so neat that he had such a dedicated friend who would do that for him, but also that um, they both felt comfortable enough to do that with me. And it was just a really cool experience for me as a bus driver. So, why am I changing my career? Well, there are many reasons why I'm changing my career, but one of the reasons is that I've always wanted to learn how to work on computers. And when I first started at BYU, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. But I think I found my niche, and I want to go into networking, and I want to be able to configure and set up networks for various corporations. Um, Eventually, when I graduate in April, I want to start off working here in my hometown of Ann Arbor. And then one day I would like to find my dream job in a place that's nice and sunny during the winter. So that's about me. I look forward to getting to know you guys as well. And feel free to leave your comment. Thank you.